Samaria, what's up? Hold this camera, G.
It was just my imagination, she something like a daydream. Sit in class and think about the way that she would say things that had me going off in my world like all the time. Yeah, she had me so in, girl, in love, I can't rewind like.
Stayed through my window, I watched her as she passed me by. And I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy to have a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. None of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to me, yes. Hey, yeah. And it was just my imagination running away with me.
Nobody likes Samaria. Even little kids hate her.
Running away with me.
Feel like I'm dreaming with my eyes wide open. You can have my heart, girl, consider it a token. I knew it from the start that we would never part. Hanging from your neck was the key to my heart. Whenever I'm with you, I just can't describe. Feet are on the ground, but I'm feeling so high. How you make me feel like I'm walking on the sky. Sitting on a cloud with a pair of bird's eyes. Sitting on a cloud, feet dangling. Beauty like a swan, so delicate. Take my breath away, but you substitute my oxygen. I don't need no trees, all I need is you with me. I'ma make you see like in like eternity.
Oh, I was about to say. I thought you dropped it. All right, we gotta go.